If you are planning to join the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator 2026, then watch this first. Most people jump without a plan, chase the easy points and still gets nothing. So I did the homework for you. I went through the whole program, the games, the badges, the points, the milestones, even the prize tiers and how the seats and turned into one simple plan. In this video, you will know what is the program, how to join and the smart move that actually gets you the free Google swag. Stick till the end. Let's get started. Gaming style learning campaign by Google Cloud. Think of a video game with levels. Each level is a small hands-on task called a lab. Finish labs earn badges and arcade points. Even total beginners are welcome and you learn the skills companies wants right now. Deploy AI agents, app development, big data and machine learning. Why join? There are two reasons. One, official Google Cloud badges for your resume and LinkedIn. Number two, points that turn into real prizes, Google goodies and swag. You learn and get rewarded at the same time. Why the facilitator program and not just the regular arcade? The regular arcade runs all the year, so you must stay consistent for the months. Most people start and slowly quit. The facilitator runs just 2 months with a clear timeline and milestones, so it's much easier to finish. Plus, you earn the normal arcade points and extra bonus points. Those bonus points push you to the reward tiers faster. The key dates: registrations opens July 13th, 5 pm. The form closes July 20 or sooner if seats fill. The program ends September 14, your last day for badges. Prizes open on January 2027. Seats are first come, first served, so enroll on day 1. Before you enroll, 4 quick things. Number 1, add this email to your contacts or enroll email maybe go to the spam folder. Number 2, the referral code is optional. Add it if you have one or just sign up. Number 3, be signed into the Google and keep your Google Skills public profile URL ready. Number 4, do the arcade games first because they have limited seats and expire. A quick look at how to register. Open the official page, click the blue enroll button, sign in with your personal Gmail, fill the form with your name, email and Google Skills profile URL, add the referral code if you have one, submit and your confirmation come in 20 to 48 hours. This is just overview. I'll show you the full live registration in a separate video. After you enroll, within 24 to 48 hours, you get an email, your free credit pass and timelines, the syllabus and frequently asked questions. Big warning, if your Google Skills profile URL is wrong, you won't get this email. So double check it. No email after 48 hours. Check your spam folder. Now points kept simple. One game equal to 1 point. Two skill badges equal to 1 point. Each milestone gives extra bonus point. Here is what confuses everyone. Bonus points alone don't win prizes. You add them to your arcade points to reach the reward tiers. And the tiers get you swag. Let me show you an example. Meet Arjun. In his first month, he does 4 games and 10 skill badges. 4 games, that's the 4 points. 10 badges divided by 2, 5 points. Total 9 arcade points. Quick tip, badges only count in pairs, so always do even numbers. Here is exactly how the points build, column by column. Milestone 1, 6 games equal to 6 points. 18 badges divided by 2 is 9 together. That's it, 15 arcade points. Add the 5 points milestone. These are the bonus points and you are at 20. Do the bonus milestone for 10 more. However, it is an optional. That's it. That is 30. That is how the 30 comes. Same pattern down every row, 50, 70 and 90. And you only get the bonus for the milestones actually reach. Same thing shows as a stack. 6 games is 6, 18 badges is 9, milestone 1 bonus is 5, so 20, Bonus milestone adds 10, the grand total 30. Games, badges, milestone, bonus all add up. My favorite part, the bonus milestone, new this year. It gives you the 10 extra points and you build your very first AI agent, a real skill you can put on your resume. You can finish it in one day, only start it after you have enrolled, and its 4 badges also count towards your normal milestone. However, again it is an optional. How to get this bonus eligibility? To do the bonus milestone, you need three things. One, you have to be enrolled 2026 batch. Number two, join the GARE program and end the GARE badge. Number three, reach milestone 1 first. 4 steps all in under a day. Number 1, finish the 4 GARE skill badges. They also count normally. Number 2, sign up for the Google Cloud free trial. $300 for credit for the 90 days. You need a credit card, but you are never auto charged. Number 3, build your AI agent with Vertex AI. Number 4, submit your project ID and billing ID to verify. That's it, done. 10 points in your pocket. However, again, this is an optional and you require the billing account. The games. 6 new games each month: Basecamp, Adventure, Voyage, Trial, and a special game, and one coming soon. Every 2 months, up to 18 game badges. Any 12 count. Any 12 count for the ultimate. One thing that confuses people, these are the same games as the public arcade game. The program just gives you the codes. So coming soon only means they unlock when your batch opens on July 13. Grab them early, limited seats. The skill badges, 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced. 17 each, so 51 are listed. For the ultimate you need 66, so pick 15 more from the catalog, and remember 2 badges equal 1 point. A few important rules: be over 18, use a personal email, only badges end between July 13 and September 14. There is a lab limit, 15 labs per 24 hours, then one every 2 hours. Each lab gives 5 tries and prizes ship from January 2027, taking 8 to 12 weeks, so plan your time. My favorite quick tips: on day 1, enroll for it. Number 2, games before badges. Number 3, reach milestone 1 early to unlock the bonus milestone. Number 4, do the bonus milestone. Number 5, stay under 15 laps a day so you are never blocked. Now, how points become a prize? Your points unlock a tier. 50 is trooper, 75 is ranger, 95 is champion, 120 is legend. Higher tries, higher tiers include the lower swag too, but each tier has limited seats. Trooper 6000, Ranger 4000, Champion 3000, Legend 2500. Shared with every arcade player. First come first served. Once the seats fill, the tire is gone. And here is the move the most people miss. 50 points. Trooper is easy, so those seats fill first and fastest. Shared with players who started earlier. So aim higher. The ultimate milestone around 80 to 90 points puts you in the ranger. Fewer people reach it, so those seats last much longer and you still get all the lower swags. So don't stop at 50, reach the ultimate milestone and actually secure your prize. So now let's create the profile, but actual registrations will open on July 13th. We'll keep the things ready. Basically, this is the official page, Facilitator 2026. I already discussed each and every point. All information is available here. Just click on join, continue with Google, enter your date of birth, scan this QR code with your mobile device. So take your mobile, just open and just scan. It will be something like this. Confirm verification. Done. So you'll be seeing this kind of UI. One very first thing what you have to do, click here, settings, make sure that your name is exactly matching with your Aadhaar card. Okay, now give your player name, just any name is fine. Here, make sure that you just click here, make profile public. update settings. So this is very important link, you just keep it with you. We are going to use the same link on July 13th when we are enrolling for it. So that's the full plan. You now know more than most people who joins this program. Do the games early, aim for the ultimate milestone, and that Google free swag's yours. If you really like my efforts, smash that like button, that gives more motivation to create videos like this, and share this channel with your one friend, that helps to your friend and it helps to our channel as well. All the very best.